Do you have a happy meal? A meal that has you doing a little dance with every bite? For me, it's pasta. Pasta with any sauce, whether it's corned beef stew, creamy shrimp sauce, tomato sauce, as long as it's a kind of pasta that can hold a sauce and the sauce is tasty and spicy, I am cleaning up that bowl, no leftovers. Lately, I have been leaning towards pasta with sardine stew, and I know it sounds like a weird combination, but it tastes so good. Trust me. I made this for the first time last year because this was all the ingredients I had in my pantry. I had some sardines, I had pasta, and I had enough vegetables to make a sauce, and I put it together and I haven't looked back. I find myself craving this meal. I make this meal very regularly, especially when I'm not in a great mood, and it turns my mood around. It's a real happy meal for me. If anyone would have told me 2 years ago that I would be on YouTube raving about pasta and sardine sauce, I would believe it because this girl loves pasta. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my pasta and sardine sauce, and I hope that you try it out because I love it and I think you will love it too. So let's get right into it.